So hello guys, today we are going to study the topics of our transportation engineering first chapter. So in this video we are going to discuss about all these topics for you. So first we have to study about SSD. What is SSD? SSD means stopping side distance. Stopping side distance. So there are three formulas in SSD. First formula is SSD is equal to Vt plus V square upon 2GR. It is first formula. Now second formula is for down gradient when our car is going in this direction. So the formula of this case is SSD is equal to Vt plus V square upon 2G F minus tan theta. Okay. Now for up gradient SSD is equal to Vt plus V square upon 2G F plus tan theta. In down gradient there is G F minus tan theta and in up gradient there is F plus tan theta. Now our second topic is SSD. SSD means our second topic is OSD. OSD means overtaking side distance. Which distance we require to for overtake. Now there are two cases in OSD. Now they calculate OSD we have to calculate three types of distance, that is D1, D2, D3. The formula of D1 is VB into small t. The formula of D2 is VB into capital T plus A capital T square upon 2. The formula of capital T is under root 4s upon E. Now the formula of D3 is VB into capital T. Now D1 plus D2 plus D3 is the OSD for undivided highway. D1 plus D2 plus D3 is the OSD for undivided highway. Now D1 plus D2 is the OSD for divided highway. Okay. Now our third topic is elevation. Now what is super elevation? So formula of super elevation is E plus F is equals to V square upon 127R. E plus F is equals to V square upon 127 upon R. Now there are two conditions in super elevation. If P upon W is smaller or equal to B upon 2H, then it is the condition to avoid the overturning. Okay. Now P plus W is equal or less than F. It is the condition to avoid skidding. Okay. Now we have to discuss about ruling radius. What is ruling radius? The formula of ruling radius is equal to V square upon 127 E plus F. V square upon 127 multiply E plus F. Now what is the formula of equilibrium super elevation? Equilibrium super elevation formula is V square upon 225 upon R. Now our fourth topic is extra widening. There are two types of extra widening: mechanical extra widening and psychological extra widening. So formula of mechanical extra widening is NL square upon 2R. NL square upon 2R. And the formula of psychological extra widening is V upon 9.5 into root V. So when we add these two type of extra widening, we get our extra widening. Okay. So formula of extra widening is NL square upon 2R, that is mechanical extra widening, and V upon 9.5 upon root R. Okay. Now transition curve. So we have to find the length of transition curve. So there are four formulas for finding the length of transition curve. First formula is V cube upon C into R. First formula is V cube upon C into R. Here C is a constant. The value of C is 80 upon R plus 175. The value of C lies between 0.5 to 0.8. It is the range of C. Now second formula is if we rotate transition curve about inner line. So here the formula is N E W plus W. Now third formula of transition curve is when we rotate our transition curve about center point. Now the formula is NE into NEW plus WE. So the length of transition curve in the case of rotation about inner line is twice as compared to the length of transition curve in the case of rotation about center line. Now there is empirical formula for calculation of transition curve. So first formula is for plane area, that is 2.7 into V square upon R. It is for plane areas. Now L is equal to V square upon R. It is for hilly areas. Now our topic is setback distance. Now there are two conditions in setback distance. If the length of transition curve is greater than SSD, that is stopping side distance. If the length is greater than SSD, then the formula is so alpha by 2 is equals to SSD into 180 upon 2 R bracket minus R minus N minus 1D into pi. Now the formula for M is equal to R minus 1 minus D cos alpha by 2. Now if the SSD is greater than LC, so the formula for alpha by 2 is equal to LC into 180 upon 2R minus 2N minus 2D, 2ND minus 2D, okay, into pi. Now the formula for M in second condition, that is SSD is greater than overall length of transition curve. So M is equals to here R minus ND minus D cos alpha T plus SSD minus LC upon 2 into sin alpha, right? Now our seventh topic is summit curve. So what is summit curve? Summit curve is this type of curve where the vertical point is above the curve. So the formula for length in summit curve is, there are four formulas of length of summit curve. First, there are two formulas. First formula is when the length of summit curve is greater than SSD, that is L is equals to NS square upon under root 2H plus 2H whole square. Okay, this is first formula. And the second formula is when SSD is greater than LC. And that formula L is equal to 2S minus root 2H plus 2H whole square upon N. Okay. Now the term is Valley curve. So there are three formulas in Valley curve. First of all, empirical formula, that is 2 bracket N V cube upon R whole under root. Now second formula, when L is greater than SSD, the length of Valley curve is greater than SSD. So in this formula, the formula is L is equal to NS square 1 upon 1.5 plus 0.035 into S. Now the third formula is L is equal to 2S minus 1.5 plus 0.035 upon N. The third formula is in case of when SSD is greater than LC. So these all are the formula in our transportation engineering first chapter, that is geometric design of highways. Thank you.